Present simple with be. Personal introduction. Hello everyone. Let me introduce myself. I am very glad to be here. I am excited to be part of this group. I am delighted to be a part of this academic community. I am Christina. My name is Christina, but you can call me Chris. I am in my early 20s. I am in my mid-20s. I am in my late 20s. I am from Spain. I am Spanish. I am from Italy. I am Italian. I am from Britain. I'm British. I am from Scotland. I'm Scottish. I am from Japan. I am Japanese. I am from China. I am Chinese. I am from Russia. I am Russian. I am very interested in English. I am keen on English. I am fond of English. I am a big fan of language learning. I am an enthusiast for English. Today I'm fine because the weather is not hot. Today I'm happy because I am at my English class. Today I'm not tired because it is only Monday. Today I'm not bored because I'm motivated. Today I'm not in a hurry or in a rush because I'm free after class. Right now I'm not hungry because I have got lunch at 3 in the afternoon. Right now I'm not thirsty because I have got a cup of coffee or a glass of water at 3 in the afternoon. Right now I'm not scared because there isn't a spider in the room. Today I'm surprised because there is a surprise in the office. Today I'm not worried because everything is all right. Today I am excited because it is an exciting day. Today I am okay because the weather is not hot. Today I am okay because the weather is not cold. Right now I am at work. Right now I am at my English class. Right now I am not at home. And right now I'm practicing my English with my classmates. Bye for now. See you soon again. Have a beautiful day.